Okay, students of class 6, let's see numbers of the first chapter, exercise 1.2. So today I will show you the word problem, question number 9. The question is, a milk booth in a residential colony has 1 kiloliter and 750 milliliter of milk. If the booth provides 2 liter and 250 milliliter of milk to each family, then find the maximum number of families the booth can cater to. Also, find how much milk will be left over. Now here, total quantity of milk that the booth has is 1 kiloliter and 750 milliliter, and each family is given 2 liter and 250 milliliter. So in both these cases, the first case 2 kiloliter and 750 milliliter, and the second one 2 liter and 250 milliliter, there are two different measuring units, so we'll have to convert them into one measuring unit. So kiloliter and milliliter will convert to milliliter altogether. Similarly, liter and milliliter also will be converted to milliliter. Then in both cases we will have the total milliliter in this and the total milliliter in this, which will be divided in order to find the number of families. So first conversion, total quantity of milk the booth has is this much, 1 kiloliter and 750 milliliter. Now kiloliter, when we convert to milliliter, we know that 10 lakh milliliter makes 1 kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter if you convert to milliliter, then we need to multiply 1 by 10 lakh and we will write milliliter and add 750 milliliter to that. So we get 10 lakh milliliter plus 750 milliliter, which is equal to 10 lakh 750 milliliter. Similarly, the quantity of milk each family gets will also be converted to milliliter. So 2 liter 250 milliliter. Now you know 1 liter has 1000 milliliters. That's why 2 will be multiplied with 1000 milliliter. So 2 into 1000 milliliter and plus 250 milliliter. Now the product of this will be 2000 milliliter and plus 250 milliliter. Altogether the sum of that gives 2250 milliliter. Now we will start dividing that. Number of families to find out, we'll have to divide the total quantity of milk that the milk booth has by the quantity of milk that each family gets. So 10 lakh 750 divided by 2250. First you see that here are 4 digits, and if you try to divide the first 4 digit, then you will see that this is smaller than 2250 because it is only 1000. So we will take up to 5 digits. That will give us 10,007. So by 2250 we will divide 10,007 first. So it will be 4 times 9,000. Remainder 1007. 5 comes down, again becomes 10,075. Now again 4 times, which is 9,000. Subtracting the difference we get 5, 7, 0 and 1. 1075. Then 0 comes down, so we get 10,750. Now again dividing it by 2250 4 times, we get 9,000. So the final difference is 1750. So since these were all milliliters, so 1750 milliliter is still left. Now we cannot divide it further. So we got the answer, the number of families. Thus the booth can cater to 444 families. That means the booth can provide milk to 444 families. And the next part of the question was how much milk is left over. The quantity of milk left over will be 1750 ml, that was the remainder. Now we will have to convert it, even this answer is correct, but we can convert it further into liter and milliliter. So 1750 milliliter, if when you convert to liter, because you know that liter is a bigger unit and milliliter is a smaller unit. So smaller unit, when we convert to bigger unit, we need to divide. So how many milliliter make liter? 1000. That's why 1750 will be divided by 1000. Now this fractional form, when denominator has 1 and 0, 0, 0, count the number of zeros. There are 3 zeros. So from here we will shift from the right hand corner, we will shift 3 places left. So we will reach between 1 and 7. So there we will put a point. So 1.750 liter. So when you have a decimal number, then we will have to write liter. But we can separate it now. This means 1 liter and 750 milliliter. Thus 1 liter 750 milliliter of milk will be left over. Total families who will get the milk 444, and still 1 liter 750 milliliter of milk is left. So this is how you will be doing the other questions too.